Welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to buy clothes in Roblox. First of all, launch open the Roblox application on your device, or you may also go to roblox.com on a browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the avatar button at the bottom center of the screen, and this will take you to this marketplace. From your marketplace, click on the clothing category from the top of the screen, and then from the clothing categories, you can go ahead and search through the clothes you want to purchase. Tap on the clothing item you want to purchase, and then you'll be able to see its details. Click on the blue button at the bottom right in order to buy the product. This is also known as the Robux price button. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see the number of Robux you'll need to spend to buy this specific item. If you have enough balance or Robux on your account, you can easily buy the item quick and easy at the bottom. If you don't, you'll need to purchase the Robux via the Roblox website or mobile app store. If you have successfully bought the product, the new item will be available to equip. You'll then need to go ahead and select the item that you've bought and wear it on your avatar. That is how you'll be able to buy clothes in Roblox in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.